Yes, I heard. Those American Negroes are fighting over Air Jordan 1 OG 9 colorways. Close the borders. They are not welcome to Wakanda.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Today, I want to hit you guys with a brand new unboxing. Before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. If you're new here, welcome to the Shoemanati Show. If you're a regular, I appreciate you pulling up, taking time out of your day to watch yet another video. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show, guys. Before we get into the unboxing, I want to discuss three things. Number one, if you watched Hold This L Part 7 all the way to the end, I told you to drop a hashtag in the comment section and I was going to pick a winner from a giveaway. All of those names have been rounded up, and within the next couple of days I will drop a video announcing the winner, and I'm going to give a prize. I haven't figured out what the prize is going to be. I either just PayPal you some money, send you a gift card, or grab something from City Trends and just drop it in the mail to you. It'll be something dope, so look forward to that. Number two, I wanted to discuss this bread-toe Jordan 1 craze. All of a sudden, people are in the malls fighting and going nuts about a non-OG colorway. I think it's just sickening. Black people, we got to do better. That shit is sad and disrespectful to our heritage and our culture. And we just got to be smarter about these releases. A lot of people thought these were going to be a general release, and the Foot Locker app dropped it as if they were going to be in a bunch of malls, but come to find out, they were in a bunch of malls, but it was in limited quantities. So everybody went fucking nuts, and resale went from $220 to $350. So congratulations to everybody who caught Air Jordan 1 bread toes. I personally passed. I have bread ones, so there's no need for me to get those, and I just wasn't feeling them like that. They're cool, but whatever. I did a review on it. If you haven't seen that review, I will drop it up top for you to watch that review, and I did a comparison with the Shatterback board Jordan 1s as well, so go check those two videos out. And last but not least, I wanted to discuss this Drake, OVO, and Adidas rumor. As of right now, I consider it fake news because nothing is in stone. So YouTubers, please slow down with the spreading the fake news and the rumors because nothing is confirmed. We don't know shit. I guess you just want something to hype up so you'll have a chance to try to quadruple your money off a sneaker that doesn't even exist yet. Calm down with the hypey shit.
I ain't gonna say it no more.
But with that being said, let's get right into this unboxing, guys. Oh, and here we go, guys. This is some light work, man. This is something light that I picked up actually the other day. Of course, I had to cop these bad boys, and since I picked these bad boys up, it was only right I got something to accommodate them. So let's open this right up and see what it is, man. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Shout out to the whole Illumination team, dark skin. We in this bitch. You know how we get down. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Chicago Bulls black cement 3 hat to match the sneakers to the tee. Glad I was able to pick this up. My normal hat spot where I grab hats at did not have a black cement 3 hat, which I was very surprising because they always have hats whenever the latest release dropped, but they didn't. Luckily, eBay came through in the clutch and I was able to scoop this hat up. And it's dope, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you need a hat for your black cement 3s, L. Definitely dope. If you need a hat for your black cement 3s, let me know. I'll just DM me on Instagram. I'll send you a link where you can scoop this exact hat up. It's limited runs of this hat and they don't have a bunch of size. This is not a snapback. This is a fitted hat. I got my exact size. I wear 7 3/8 because I got a big ass head, but it is what it is, man. I had to get something to accommodate these. Of course, I snatched these up. I did not give you guys a review on these. Hopefully sometime in the future I'll give you guys a review. I know YouTube was just flooded with black cement 3 reviews, so I felt like it was just kind of unnecessary for me to give you a review. Somehow, some way, I'm gonna find a way to give you a review of this, but I just don't want it to be like everyone else's. I might make a little mini movie or something. We'll figure it out. But ultimately, this was my newest pickup, guys. This was from the mystery unboxing. I got this black cement 3 hat to accommodate my Air Jordan 3 black cements. Glad to have these in the collection, and glad I was able to scoop this hat up for a decent price because I know they usually be taxing for these. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up. Shout out to everyone for taking time out of their day to watch the video. Peace and love to everyone. Shout out to all the new subscribers that's just been added to the channel. Welcome. Feel free to go back in the archive, check out all the previous videos, over 600 videos in the archive. Follow me on all my social medias, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Instagram. Links are in the description box down below. Thank you guys. I see you in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible Entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
For this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. M&M's, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang.
Intangible Entertainment. We famous, bitch.